Lists let you gather information that is related in Python. The items can be different variables, but they're usually related in some way. Lists in Python are basically like lists in real life. Let's say you're making a grocery list. Instead of storing everything as one big string or making a bunch of variables, you could store it all in a list. All the items are right there and already associated with each other. List indexes are like the address of the items on a list. They start at 0 and go up to the length of the list minus 1. In the case of this list of 4 items, the first item is at index 0, and the last item is at index 3. If you want to find out which item is at an index, just print list name with the index in square brackets, and the item at the specified index will be printed. There are also negative indexes in Python. They're like regular indexes, but they go backwards. -1 represents the last item, -2 represents the second last item, and so on. If you want to find the index of a certain item in the list, write listname.index, then in brackets, the item whose index you're looking for. This will return the index of the item you've put into the function. If you have to add something to the list, you could use the append function. Write the list name .append and the item you want to add in brackets. Then the item will be added to the front of the list. The insert function can be used if you want to add something to a specific spot in the list. Type listname.insert, then the first parameter is the index, the next parameter is the item. It will insert the item at the specified index. If you want to remove something, you could write listname.pop with the index as a parameter. It will remove the item that is at that index. Or if you just want to remove the last item, leave the brackets empty and the function will remove the last item by default. The clear function will let you delete the contents of the list. There are many more functions related to lists, but these are the basic ones. In addition to those, remember these 3 facts about lists. They can contain any data type, the same list can have items of different data types, and a list can contain other lists. If you've reached this far, now you know how to make a list and manipulate it in various ways. Make sure to experiment with what you've learned by making basic programs that incorporate lists. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to leave any feedback you have in the comments. Have a wonderful day, everybody.